Hey, what's up, guys? Shit. Welcome to another. Hopefully, you know, this week I will be done with this because it's been going for quite some time, actually. Yeah. So, but yeah, definitely, I think I'll be done with it because right now I just need to unwrap this and unwrap these ones, which these are gonna be a lot more easier. Oh shit, they stole this. Anyways, unwrapping this will be a lot more easier, these pipes, because most of this is just open mesh, so just having one line over there will do the trick. Alright, let's just hide everything. Isolate this. Let me just play some music. It's impressive that this shortcut these days it's actually working on every new version of Blender instead of what's this? Instead, like previously, where it was just I had to download the latest version every time. Whenever Blender came, I downloaded a new Blender. I would have to also download the latest version for that. This, but now it's no longer the case. It just does everything automatically. Okay, so let's just finish this. Actually, whenever I'm unwrapping, I just prefer solid mode. It's a lot more easier to see.
It's getting dark, I feel the
One thing I can say from this, project is that what's this? Whenever I model this character, it was, how can I say this? After doing some research, actually, I've noticed a lot of mistakes that I've added to this. Like, they apparently when you create any, anything, whatever you're creating, it should have three main features. The primary shape, which shows you the entire how the model looks, the basic shape of the whole model, and then secondary shapes, which it's all these pieces. But what this one is lacking is tertiary shapes. Okay, wait, let's get out of this. What this one is lacking is tertiary shapes. I mean, there are a couple of them. These are still, I guess you can consider them as tertiary shapes since they are small, but not so small that I guess I just placed all of these everywhere instead of creating clusters of open space, negative space, and where detail should be. Like, I feel like, I I mean, I did do this part where you can see there's a lot of detail there. Mm, but that's it, some of this doesn't have that much negative space. Yeah, you know it, it's lacking a little bit, I feel. But the entire process, of creating this was, I definitely enjoyed that part. I wonder, with this, I think I've created more confidence on, how I will, model certain, what this hard surface projects, I guess. I will have a clear understanding of how I should approach it. Because like whenever I created hard surface, things, I don't know, it felt difficult for some reason, but with this project it wasn't the case. Actually, it was challenging, but I finished the project. Well, I'm close to finishing the project. That's what I'm trying to say. Usually I guess I just leave it halfway through, and I don't have the energy to complete it, because I feel like there's so much to think about it when creating a hard surface model. I feel like, even though like poly modeling is something you need to think when modeling, but hard surface, I guess it's because it's something that I'm not used to, which is why it felt so much more challenging than poly modeling ever did, I guess. And also it could be the fact that when I learned poly modeling, I studied it with the intention of actually, I was interested in it. Let me just say that, I wanted to know more about it. But with hard surface, I didn't have that much interest. Even back when I was in university, I would actually try and create all the other characters in any hard surface or environment objects that needed to be created. I would leave it to the other teammates. I've always been comfortable creating characters more than any environment object, I guess, or assets. Okay. I feel like I unwrapped it a lot more differently than I did with the other pieces. Let's see how and I did. I had a feeling there was something weird about the way I unwrapped it. It was a lot more quick, actually. Okay, what I can do is first I want to see how it's gonna look over here. And let me compare it with this part. I think it's okay. I mean, it could create stretches over here, because these are areas over here actually, but At a distance, it's not. I doubt that stretching is gonna be that visible. Besides, I don't know. I'm just guessing that it's not gonna be that visible. Let's see how this one was unwrapped actually. Oh, okay, no. Yeah, no. I think I'm going to have to redo this and actually unwrap this properly. I mean, this one I feel like these are actually okay, but I'm just worried about the part where they might stretch, I guess. You know what, let's actually see what the UV see there's these stretches over here, which is I'm a little bit worried about. But it's not that bad. Okay, if I compare it with this part. See, the thing is, this is a lot more cleaner unwrapped than, I guess, this. Okay, you know what, I am definitely gonna clear all of these and actually unwrap them properly. Gonna bring this in to understand, to see how I unwrap this. Alright, so basically what I did was I went around like this. Alright. And this one seems like, did I do that? Oh, okay. Honestly, this was actually a lot, also fast. I guess this, you know, it was because the time when I did it, yeah, you know, I just didn't understand how I was following this pattern, I guess. I'm just gonna keep these two. Excuse me. You know, sometimes when a city is so quiet, like it feels weird. Like I mean, I know that it's, I guess it's calming sometimes. You know, when it's quiet, you know, you don't get any disturbance, but when it's too quiet, then you start to wonder, okay, wait, you know, what's actually going on? You know, why is it this quiet? I guess uh other areas it's because of where you are, I guess, the area you're living in, and you know, I guess it just feels a little bit creepy when it's quiet, I guess. I mean, like, if there wasn't a highway over here, it was going to be extremely quiet, which, you know, it would have been even weird, I guess. Because, like, right now where I am, it's, oh man, it's, when something happens outside, you know, you just hear it, and you know, and you quickly just look at it, I guess. But in a noisy city, I guess you don't notice these things, I guess. Because back at home, you know, the city is always quite noisy, so you know, even any activity that, you know, that happens, that okay, you don't really pay attention to them because you're so used to the noise, I guess. But here, yeah, it's, you hear almost everything. I mean, it's probably, like I said, it's probably because of the side, the area in which I'm currently in. It's too quiet, maybe that could be the reason. I feel like this actually, it's a lot more louder at night. Like, I mean, it's not that loud, but that's where I guess a lot of people are not at work, and it's a lot more busier. Um, but not here, I guess. I'm just saying the rest of the city, I guess. I think these are a lot more better, I guess. I don't know, it just feels a lot more better. Did I unwrap this? I know it takes up a lot more space when this is like in a, I guess, cheap hose. It made a lot more sense if, you know, these were connected to this part, but then it doesn't it creates those stretches that I just don't like, I guess.
Crazy and I'm wasting time. You see, don't leave me now. Yeah, for the sky and all its diamonds. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sun's out. Make the clouds move over. We can do whatever, yeah. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sun's out. Make the clouds move over.
Let's see how this is. Yeah, this part is a little bit difficult to create, to create this properly. Maybe I can push it all the way out over here. Yes. But where is that corner? I think it's this part. No, it's actually not this side. It's hard to tell. Is it this side or the other side? Oh, it's over here. That's what that is. Yeah, the way I did this was kind of messed up, I guess. Yeah, but it's over here. I'm hoping that when I add subdivision to this, it just makes it a lot more cleaner. And it's not gonna be that noticeable, I guess. Hopefully. Yeah, that's a lot more better. That's gonna take a lot of space. But yeah, we'll see how it works. Let's create this one first, because some of these are just difficult, to see how I'm gonna unwrap them. Somehow it makes, actually no, you know what, for this one I feel like it makes a lot more sense because these are so close to one another. I'm not gonna okay. I mean, these ones, the reason why I did this, I feel like I could say it's because of the fact that it's gonna be visible, but over here these are so close to one another that you're not gonna see the sides of it, I guess. So maybe instead of just unwrapping it, so that, because this is going to take a lot of space and it's going to be a lot more difficult to place them together, yes, unless if I make them a little bit smaller. Just clear all of this and over here, yes. And unwrapping it like this. Let's see, that's a lot more better, so that, you know, this, the under part, you know, what I can also just do is just delete underneath here, I guess. I mean, it would make a lot more sense if I did that. Yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna delete this part because it's not gonna be that visible.
Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm
Ooh, okay.
terrified.
Oh no, what I can also do is just
I've been
remove that,
here before and said goodbye.
these seams,
Oh,
and then it does this. I think that's a lot more better, you know, than what I was trying to do. And hide everything else. This makes this a lot more faster. This one, okay, let's just ignore it for now, and let's just remove these. Interesting. Why is it still connected? Ooh, over here. How did I miss that?
Turn away and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try look, I wish I'd find. Oh, how can I love when
Yeah, it's, you're not gonna be able to see it. Besides, this part I did close it, so it's not gonna be that. I feel like I should do the same with this one actually. Wait, where's those pieces that did I put them in different folder? Definitely not that. Oh, okay, wait, this is isolated actually. But even so, it's still not visible. Where did I put those other? Oh, actually, these ones. Don't know. Yeah, because I just want to see how. What exactly am I seeing? Like, this is gonna be at a distance, right? So. I mean, it's not gonna be that visible that this is actually. Okay, these I'm actually gonna remove them. I don't remember what I was actually trying to create here. Okay, let's just leave them for now. The rubber parts. Oh yeah, I wanted so that it could have some rubber areas here, so that it's not just metallic, I guess. Hey, what's up, Skittles? How you doing? Okay, how do I unwrap this part? Okay, I can separate this maybe from the rest of this part, I guess. Wait, this is okay. Yeah, I'm good. I think I can also separate this part. Maybe over here as well, I can also separate this. It's like, you know, when you model things in, you know, you create secondary details on an object, but without it being separate meshes, it's, I don't even know how to unwrap you know, that part. I guess it's, I mean, do I just leave it like this and hope that it will look fine here, or I mean, like, these look like they will stretch over here. Let's just see how it looks. Yeah, there's definitely stretches over here. But it's not that bad, I guess. I mean, it's not like it's gonna be a really visible stretch. I mean, unless if you come this close. Alright, and this part is the interesting part. It's fine, yeah, it seems like it's fine. Yeah. Alright. I think that's all of every piece unwrapped, I guess. Now I just need to put these properly. Oh damn, what is that? Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is actually take looks like I actually didn't unwrap this one. The only one that's not unwrapped. Oh, actually I didn't unwrap these. Why does it look like that? I'm just gonna separate these properly because they're too tangled over here. Now, I actually, as I'm unwrapping this, I actually just remember the part where he said, Skittles, that, I should have unwrapped this, some of these objects that were instances, I think, like, when you unwrap, every object that is an instance, like, when you, if let's say this was an instance, right? If I move this, I would have seen another, UV map, or what do you call these islands, right below all these. So basically they just right below one another, and I would have, I guess, searched a way to change the texture maybe without moving them into separate areas, I guess. Or is it better to just separate them and have them all have their own UV space? I don't know. Because what I saw in it is on one video is that they just left them, all the maps on top of one another and just place the texture, I guess, on top of it. And I don't remember what it was they did, to make it look that making, although they have the same textures, somehow they look different, I guess. As a duplicate, yeah, no. Yeah, only if you apply, yeah, there is, and you can just use a modifier. After you join. Okay. Let's make this average island scale. I don't like the way, I mean, like, it looks like it's the best way to leave these, I guess. But is there a way that I can actually make it look a lot more better? I'm just gonna, manually place these further apart, I guess, because some of these are actually close to one another. Like, okay, wait, take island while spreading them out. Yeah, so you just let them be on top of each other and as a linked duplicate, and then join at the end and peg. Oh, okay. Ah. Oh, there is a modifier called UV wrap. Modifier called UV wrap. Oh, okay. What does it do? Hmm. So they are already unwrapped on top of each other, and you can either keep them like that, meaning they all use the same texture, which can be good to get more resolution, or just pack to split them into own islands. Wow. Wow. How do you? Oh, wow. Wow. Silent R. Wow.
Life can be hard, but it's what we do. Take it to the top. Yeah, yeah,
Warm. Warm meaning oh, wrap. Warp meaning to change or transform. UV. Ah. So that by doing that, it will change the textures to be slightly different from each other. With modifier, you could keep as duplicate and never join them.
increasing my strength.
Ah, okay.
I remember myself. Life can be hard,
I mean, this
but it's what we do. Take it to the top.
the way I'm unwrapping this is actually terrible. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna put these to the side and unwrap these properly. So I feel like I can do more than that, you know, not even neat the way it was. Hmm. You unwrap one into face in, say, top corner, and then for each duplicate add some offsets, or you could use array modifier to make them in a straight line. It has a built-in offset per copy. Ah. Does the wait, so basically instead of having them as instances, you could use an array modifier, then it would do that. You could offset them using the array modifier. Is that what you're saying? 'Cause hmm, then use a mesh deform mod and another mesh to keep in an amateur, to keep like an amateur. Okay. I mean, to kind of like an amateur, and bend it and move it into place after array modifier. Yeah, array has a UV offset option. Mm. Have you used mesh or surface deform? No, actually. These are modifiers, right? No. No, I've never used any of those. I don't even know where they are. These are they modifiers? I don't think they are. Or is it? Basically, you take one mesh, usually a really high poly one, and then bind it to a much simpler one. Yeah, so it works like an amateur, but you bind one to another mesh. Is it like how? What's this? Hmm, I've never done it, but I'm assuming it's like how you would do when you what's this? You want to project the high poly mesh details on a low poly mesh, right? Is it the same as that? Yes, mesh and surface deform are modifiers. They are in the mouse. They are in your mouse went over them. No. Mouse went over them. I missed that. Oh, surface deform. Yeah, I see that one. And where's the mesh deform? Is it simple? No, you said mesh deform, right? To go through all of these. I haven't used some of these modifiers. Oh, there it is, mesh deform. Oh, it's the same. Oh, it's under deformation. Just so you can move it into place after the array modifier, but it usually needs to deforming. It's usually used to deforming a low poly, high poly set. Lol, mouse literally on it. Well, you're asking, yeah. Yeah, because think about it, array only makes duplicate in a straight line, right? Mm.
God and bury me all in my head alone, calling your name but only feel the cold. I sense the change in energy, all of my fuse is blown. If I as inside, buried in a bonfire.
Move it into place, and you would think you have to apply the mod, but you don't. You can use the mesh deform to move into place since you place the deform modifier after the array.
So how do we end up here? Could have sworn we said forever. Hopelessly I keep on
So you don't have to apply any mod.
with the flames getting higher, all of the problems that I couldn't help. Oh, I'm building a bonfire. Hopelessly I keep on losing myself. With the flames getting higher, all of the problems that I couldn't help. Oh, I'm building a bonfire.
You can always go back, like change the UV maps for one and update for all, even after you use mesh deform and other mesh to it, or scale it, or whatever the total dynamic setup. That's actually a useful thing. But how, like, does it like because like it's using the same texture, right? But I know that it's by moving these you're making it you're changing the textures, but is the offset the one that controls how much the different it is from the original texture, or is it the one that you use to control the difference between how closely does it resemble the original texture? Exactly, with an offset, you said. Right. Now with this, I can actually. Shit, that's individual. Hmm. Oh shit. Okay. That's why I made the mistake. Hmm. Okay. Let's. What I should have done was, place them in a box like that. Oh. Hmm. Because now if I try and scale this, then I'm gonna have to remove. Okay. Let's remove all of these. Okay, let's scale these and then remove those ones, I guess. And then take these ones and move them all up there, I guess. Why not just use UV Peg Island? Actually, I did, but it's just that I did not like the way it, separated everything. I think this is a lot more better, I guess. Yeah, the result of using the UV island, Peg Island, it's just some of these were taking too much space, I guess. I wanted to scale this actually. Maybe. I mean, I'm sure it would have worked, but I don't know. This looks a lot more better than, let's see, than this, I guess. I just feel. You have this, and then this. Right. With this pack, what I can start doing now. Ooh, shit. Okay. Now I actually just remember one thing. This is gonna be carbon fiber, right? So these need to start matching each other, I guess. Does it really need to, like, does it have to, follow that pattern like that? I mean, it's okay, I guess, right? You should get UV packer. Yeah, it leaves a bit of space. You should get UV packer. It's free and will pack even better than you can. Oh, okay, it's called UV packer, right? UV. Where do I get it? On Gumroad or any website? Is this the web for Blender? Godspeed. Nice. It's an add-on. This one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's definitely. because I think it will help, you know, with look at the unwrap, it's done. Yeah, it's actually okay. Let's get that. Step one. Okay, download an add-on. Oh, I didn't read that actually. The open add-on section preference. Okay, use install button and select the add-on zip. Look at the 100%. The 100%. The percent. I mean the percent. Where is that? Oh, these are the percent. Okay. What is this for? For this. So it does about 20% of the work, and while this for Mac it does more than that actually. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm guessing I don't need to open this zip, right? Because it says in Blender, open the preference add-on, use the install button and select the add-on zip file you downloaded. This will install the add-on but not enable it. It will now show up in the list on. Okay. Where's that? UV packer. Is it the magic UV? What does it show up as? Oh, it's UV packer. So did I not install it? Okay, let's do that again. Oh, I need to refresh this. No. You need to use the installer. Wait, so okay, I'm a little bit confused. Do I unzip the file and then use the installer? Step 2. Oh, okay. Extract the. Wait, extract. Oh, okay. I didn't see the step 2. Okay. extract the downloaded zip file into directory on the add-on. In the previous step, you can find the path to the add-on and install check by checking the add-on details in the add-on section of Blender Preference. Restart Blender. Oh shit. Yeah. Let's just save this first. But I definitely need to extract that file. Unless if maybe I no, look, read it. Okay, I'm a little bit confused because it seemed like based on this I needed to extract this. It says extract the downloaded file zip file into the directory of the add-on installed in the previous. Yeah, I'm a little bit confused. Of the add-on installed. Don't extract the add-on. You install the add-on like normal. The second file you download, you follow the instruction. In another file, separate part. Okay, wait, I'm a little bit confused. Are there two files that I need to download? Oh, okay, that's the download. Oh, that's what I didn't download was I downloaded this. I did not download this, the add-on itself. That's what I was missing actually. Is this way I download? Yeah, that's what I was missing actually. Source code. Yeah, that's weird. I missed that part. I thought this was okay, the add-on and then the program. Okay. Okay. Wait, one is the software that runs in the background, communicates with Blender, does the actual unwrapping text. Okay, that's this, right? This is the software that communicates. Yeah, it says right there, and below the writing stop. Go to the bottom of the second. Download the. Yeah, I already downloaded. It's this one, isn't it? This because I started downloading this first actually, thinking that it was. Is that not what I downloaded here? Okay, let's just click it and let's see, because I feel like I started with this one. Yeah, it is this one. As you can tell now, it's a copy of this one. That's the one you extract and install. Okay. Straight file, yeah. Oh, I'm installing this, right? Uh, and then the add-on is the one that I actually come to Blender and like a normal program. Do I have to close Blender first to install this? Because it looks like I have to close Blender to install this. Oh, it says restart Blender after extracting this. Okay, so wait, what I'm guessing is first I need to do this and install the add-on, which is okay, this is the add-on. Install that and then extract that. And then I mean, I've already extracted this. I'm guessing I need to close Blender for this because it's pausing like this. Just gonna close Blender. Or yeah, you don't even run it, just extract it. Then in Blender add-on, wait, yeah, I'm a little bit confused. I don't have to, I just need to extract it. Then in Blender add-ons, point it to that. Okay, I thought it was the, where's that file? Okay, no, it's not showing that. My guess is that I need to close the, okay, let's actually read this properly. Okay, I extract that file, right? And extract the downloaded zip into that directory. That's the part where it confuses me. In the previous, you can find the path where the add-on is installed by checking the add-on details on the file. Entry point to the script puts the program into the same directory. Alright, I have no idea what it just said. Because the thing with paths, you know, getting these paths right is where it confuses me, I guess. Try a save and restart, I think. Okay. Then let's close Blender. Extract the downloaded zip file into the directory of the add-on. So basically it has to be in the same file as the add-on. That's what I'm getting from installed in the previous. So the same place where I placed the add-on, right, this needs to be extracted in that same place. So basically right now they are both in the same place, and then you can find the path where the add-on is installed by checking the add-on details in the add-on section of the Blender preference. Okay, and the file entry point, wait, okay, file, no, I think I confused it, or I'm still confusing that. Yeah, so go to the app data. Where is the app data? In Windows, the file. The file. So basically, in Windows, the file. Basically, I need to take this path. Is that what you're saying? No. You need to go to the. Oh, wait. I actually don't know where that is. Actually, I know what you're talking about, but I don't know where that is. App data. Find user file. It's usually in the. Okay. User file. Okay. Is it what? Assume? Okay. I'm thinking app data. Local, or I'm guessing it's local. And then Blender. Oh, okay. And Blender. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's where it ends. So I don't know anymore. Let's check. I think it could be actually. It's not actually. You did wrong. Oh, okay. I wasn't supposed to enter local then. Which one was I supposed to do? Because there's local low rooming. Oh, you said rooming. Oh shit. Okay. My bad. Rooming and okay. Oh, okay. And then the script part. Now pick the version. Okay, yeah, it's the new one because that's the one I'm currently using right now. Do I put add-ons? Wait, I just saw add-ons. There it is. UV and It's here. Isn't this what it is? So basically I need to take this then. Yeah, it is this one because it's today that we just added this. Then this script and add on look for UV packer. This one. Oh yeah, it's already there. It should work then. That's the thing, it's not here. That's okay, that's weird. Because that's the way it is, right? And unless I'm missing something. Install the add-on. Okay. Thought I installed it. Okay. And refresh that. Does that mean that now I need to reopen Blender? Because it's not showing. It's weird. Okay, I'm just gonna close Blender. Does it have a restart button, Blender, or does it mean you need to reopen it again? Okay. Wait, save preference and restart. Save preference and okay, now it should be there. No. I don't know. I think we missed something. Restart. Entry point to the script. Put the program into the same direction. I don't know, maybe maybe you can move your cam. What do you mean I should move my cam so you can see properly? Oh, this one. Oh shit. Okay, wait. Damn. How do I move that? Video caption. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay. Because okay, yeah. Yeah. Just gonna put it there for now. I think. Yeah, it's the weird part, you know, that it's still not there. I mean, I thought it was gonna be here after this, but it's still not here, so wait, shit. Okay, what I'm gonna do is maybe I'm just guessing, right? That these documents and this is not the same thing, or is it the same? That maybe I should move these in here. Oh, but it looks like the same detail. Around the same time, actually. Yeah, that's the weird part. Maybe I have to come. Oh man, all of these are brought here, so that's okay. You know what? Let's read me. I think we'll understand it a lot more better if we just read this. Okay, so UV packer for Blender consists of two components that needs to be installed separately. The UV packer for Blender add-on that provides the user interface in Blender and the corresponding program that forms the packing. This achieves archive contains the executable program for UV packer, the latest version, blah. In order to use it from within Blender, you also need the add-on script can be downloaded from here. Okay, so this is the add-on script, right? Okay, you can find the document. Delete those and put it inside. It should just be in add-ons, or should be inside the UV packer folder. Okay, so I'm deleting these, right? Is that what you're saying? Delete these and place the ones that these ones in here. Because I feel like it's the same thing. Oh, move them inside the folder. Okay, so if I move them here, right, then I would need to replace the ones that are here, right? Either way, it needs to be inside the folder, not just sitting inside the add-on. Okay, I'm a little bit confused. Inside which folder? Inside the... Oh! Move these inside the add-on folder. Is that what needs to be done, actually? Yeah, there. Oh, okay. Moving these inside here. Oh. And then it should work. Drag it. Yes. Yeah, that's... Now it should work, hopefully, right? Or not. Let's refresh this and close this actually. Now restart Blender and try again. Yeah, that's... I think that could be the problem actually. That we will have that, you know, that could solve the problem, I guess. Alright, now hopefully, let's hope it works. Okay. That did not do the trick. Does it still need? Wait me. It's tricky to see though. Okay. So it's probably how you installed it to start with. Delete the UV packer folder. Okay, so I'm deleting this entire thing, right? And okay. Okay, let's remove that. And let's also delete this from here. Okay, now it's no longer there. And let's go back to the download file. This is where I extracted this, right? What I did was only press this and it took everything here. Okay, we'll start again. Do it cleaner. Go to Blender and install the add-on. Okay. Do I need to close Blender and open it again, or can I just do that? So let's refresh this, and this is what I'm installing, the add-on zip file, right? And I don't need to unzip that, right? I'm guessing. Okay. Now go to the, okay, just install. Now close Blender. Okay, let's close Blender. Ooh, wasn't I supposed to save the preference? But I have the autosave thing on. Oh, this is here. Now this file is actually over here. Okay. Refresh the file. It's over here, but it doesn't have that the other file. It doesn't have this part. Do I move these inside here? Or do they have to be inside here? I feel like they have to be inside over here. That's weird. Let's just read this. Read me. Exactly. Oh shit. What did I just do? Oh, I opened that. Delete again. Okay, wait, I'm confused now. Go to the add-on and check in if this double zipped. Okay, the add-on. How do I check if it's double zip? Do I just open it? Let's just open this and how do I check if it's double zipped? Yeah, it is double zipped actually. Hmm. So that means it has to be in this UV pack actually, because it is double zipped. This needs to come in here. Yeah, the naming is wrong. The UV packer folder. Oh, this one is the UV packer blender add-on. This one is the okay. So basically now this needs to come inside here. So I need to delete this and redo this again. Is that what you're saying? Okay, wait, no. Start all over. So okay, let's delete that. And then I'm guessing I'm starting Blender again, right? Because we did this in unzip the add-on. Okay. Keep Blender closed. Okay, so the add-on is unzipped right now, and into that folder. Okay. Wait, that's not the add-on. This is the add-on. Just copy UV packer. Okay, let's copy this. And where exactly are we taking this? What is this? Ooh, damn. Okay, wait. Because I actually removed that, so I need to go back to that add-on folder. Oh shit. Yeah. Just bringing that and pasting it here. Okay. So basically what I did is copy the add-on from this and bring it into here. Now copy and paste the into there. Okay. These ones are only this one, right? Or not? I don't know which. No, this is just read, and let's just copy this into the same folder. Okay. Hopefully it works this time. Okay, now let's open Blender. If this doesn't work, I don't know. I'm guessing I don't need to. Oh, there it is. It worked. It worked. At least now, that's how it's named on my PC and it works. Yeah. Oh wow, that was a long. Yeah. Oh shit, I did not turn it on, right? I did. So where do I find the add-on now? Does it work? Oh, okay. Then I guess I'm gonna have to. Let's go to the old folder. In the UV editor. Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. All right, let's test it. I mean, I still need to put the seams on this, right? I mean, not like it's gonna fix everything. Oh. If I leave this the way it is, it's gonna stretch a lot, so no, this part is usually the tough part, you know, to unwrap, I guess, because I don't know, I usually don't know when to stop the unwrap, I guess, the seams, especially when it's like this, I guess. Let's mark this seam. I mean, here there's, you know, there's not much distance, but over here, you know, this, if I leave this as one island, or is it island, these parts are gonna be stretched, I know for sure, so because of that distance, right? So I think like the best, you know, is just to cut this over here and maybe cut this over here. And over here, I guess. Then I will mark a seam like this. Right. Let's just see how it will look. So basically this packs the whatever you have, right? Okay. This is a 1K image. What are these? Free rotation, rescale UV chart. Okay. I'm just gonna press pack and let's hope it works. Okay. It still leaves that space. Is it still leaving that space, and that's what I don't want with this actually. The fact that it leaves the space. Does it also have what's this? You need more things. Okay, let's just add this. I think this is actually what do you call this? I don't know which one is the original mesh. Okay, these are separate objects. I thought they were one object. Okay, what I'm gonna do is actually it only leaves space because it only one thing, and it's only one thing, and there's a big face. It needs to keep the part around the cylinder still long. It can't take any better. Do multiple objects at once. Okay. Alright, let's do this one as well. Yeah, that. Before we install do multiple objects at once, maybe try it on that last bit you are working on before we install the add-on. That's a perfect scenario. Just test it on. Alright, let's try that one and let's see. Right. Let's see how that does that. Right. Yeah, it's a lot more better actually. Although it does not. Wait, does it? Actually, it does leave some space. How do you mm, how do you control the spacing between these UV islands? What settings do you press to control the Mm, set it to high quality too, or instead of in the type. Okay, and yeah, that's the pun padding. You can turn that up. Oh, okay. For the spacing between the two, so I'm guessing if I want like 0.2. I don't know if it's gonna make that much difference, but let's see that. Okay. Oh wow, it's a lot more better actually. And it's not even making the mistakes. Oh yeah, that I would have made, I guess, if I unwrap this. Eight pixels of pad. Isn't that a little bit too much? 8, because that seems like a lot. Let's see that. Yeah, no, I guess that's good. Let's actually make it 4. I think this because yeah, the thing is, when I remember when I textured some of this, the old parts, right? When I textured them and baked it, you could tell that some areas were overlapping, I guess. Yeah, I think 4 actually does a pretty good job. It's not too far, but it's also not too close, I guess. Put that in pixels. It's in pixels. Oh, it's in pixels, and 16 is usual, and 16 is usually go to render settings and make sure to match it, otherwise you'll forget. Okay, render settings. Where is that in the render settings? Wait. Render property. What do you change here in the this will fix the option you're talking about in baking. Oh, in baking. Oh, okay. So since here I made it 16. Oh, then I have to match it to this one. Is that the margin? Oh, okay. Then I leave that to 4. Okay. Then save that. Yeah, this I think this add-on is gonna help a lot. It's gonna make the process of unwrapping a lot more faster actually. uh I feel like it's almost as if the headaches that I've been having for with unrendering, they I can already feel them being resolved. No more headaches in the long run. That needs to match the, yeah, or it will overlap. Yeah, that's right. Mm, just need to unwrap these few. Let me unwrap this one before calling it a day. Huh? Okay, wait, this does not make sense. How did I create that? What? Did I create this using geonodes? Oh man, this was... No, that's not possible. No. Okay. So where's the original mesh then of this? That's the original mesh. So this is just a plane over here. Other than that, I can... No, actually, it's not the original mesh. Yeah, like skin, you probably want to unwrap manually, but hard surface will with a lot of little things and UVs. It's much better to just use a good automated packer. Especially since most of them, I guess with hard surface models, it has the change in what's this direction of these faces, so it's a lot more easier actually. Yeah, because if you unwrap just this, it's gonna create some stretches, I guess, if it's not if it's not seamed right. Does it also, is it just a packer, right? It doesn't help with peak UV unwrapping. I need is actually the mesh that I used for this. Let's close this because I need the original one, because here when I do this it only shows me this, and this is not part of this actually. I don't know what that is, but wait, it makes sense. I think there's another mesh that oh shit, there's also a watch. Oh damn, I forgot about that. I'm definitely not gonna use that. What is that? No, it does not unwrap. Ah, shit. This is the original man. You know, I thought there was something weird about it. Damn. Okay, I'm just gonna unwrap this. But then there was also a double. What's that other part? I'm just gonna unwrap this and hopefully, actually the back part is actually not needed. Actually, I remember this, you helped me with this part, and I was struggling so much to get it right. Okay, what's going on here? This is a separate object, okay? So, probably if it had a journal. I remember I was struggling to get it right. Similar to that this one I think we just used object info node actually, but I remember there was that other the one way I was struggling to actually get it right. What's this? The part where what's this? We were trying to add two separate meshes on a spline. Actually, it's the one here actually. Where is that? These rubber objects actually. We were adding, you know, like these different details. Like you can see here, it has this detail, and here it doesn't have that detail. And then, you know, it continues with that detail over here. I remember that part. That was, oh man, I was struggling with that one. And then I made it so complicated, you know, it wasn't easy process, but yeah, I was struggling to get it right. All right, I think this is it. Let's okay, so this, right, I use GeoNode for this, right? So do I have to apply this to this? Because I want these to be one object, right? And these two I used GeoNodes on them. I think this one is just an array actually, but this one I used the GeoNode. If I apply the GeoNode here, is this gonna stick over here, or what's gonna happen to it? That's what I want to understand, because this is not the original mesh, right? It's copying the data from that other part. I think it's the same with this one. Oh, actually not this one. Mm, let's say that. Yeah, unwrap this one. Because after this, I just want to unwrap, place them all in one, uh, duplicate the modifier and then apply. Okay, let's duplicate this. Oh, fuck. Shift key. Oh, nice. I'm guessing I have to apply these now, right? Okay. This is an array. I need to apply this, then make these one object. Then just disable it. Oh, okay. I already added this to that, so okay, what happened? Alright. Let's see how it works. Alright, yeah, this is a lot more better actually. Let's see this in. Okay, there's some stretches over here. That means this was not unwrapped properly. It looked okay, but it was not unwrapped properly. I think, it's especially this part. Why was this not unwrapped? Ah, okay, damn it. I know why this part is not unwrapped properly. Yeah, I missed this part. Okay, and marking these seeds. Let's do this again. Yeah, it works here, but over here it's just, it seems okay, but why does it? No, there's still something wrong with it actually. Did I miss something? I know it doesn't have a face below. Oh shit, wait. Ah, okay, wait. I'm just gonna delete these faces actually. Thought that was not actually over here. Let's just click this and hide it. I thought there were no faces here below. It's like some of them. The original one did not have actually, but these ones all of a sudden has faces. Oh shoot! What the fuck? What just happened? Oh, that's just me hiding that. Okay, hide this. Oh, okay, it all has faces below. It was just an open mesh. Okay, you know what? What I'm gonna do is unwrap this. Because I feel like that's the problem. Yeah, that was actually the problem. Now actually properly unwrap and then just pack it properly. This is unwrapped properly, but it just looks weird. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Okay, wait. There's one more problem actually. This part. Why is this now so weird? There's some stretchings here. Yeah, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. This, I just need to put this into a straight line, I think. And I'll do that on Wednesday actually. Just these ones. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you on Wednesday. Yeah, cheers and thanks for the chats. Because yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Cheers, bye.